Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the Commonwealth Bank. Friend, it is a multinational bank and they are having a very good opportunity for virtual internship. And friend, the virtual internship is available for the candidates who are interested in data analytics, data science or data engineer related field. So it is a very good opportunity, friend, and you can see here you will get this type of certificate also, which you can use in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, and it is absolutely free, and anyone can apply for this virtual internship program, whether you are a college going student or you are the freshers or you just want to increase your knowledge related to the data science field. So anyone can apply for this. So friend, before going to check the next process, first check about this Commonwealth Bank. So friend, you can see here the Commonwealth Bank of Australia is also known as the Commonwealth Bank or simply CommBank. And friend, it is an Australian multinational bank with businesses across New Zealand, Asia, the United States and the United Kingdom. So friend, it is a very good opportunity for you to get the internship in this multinational bank. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the forage who is providing this Commonwealth Bank virtual internship on data science. You can see here. Then friend, in this internship you will explore data insights derived from the social media. Then you have to collaborate with the Commonwealth Bank's data science team to design a database. And you can see here friend, this is the free internship, and you can see 750 plus 5-star reviews are available also. So you can also check it. So friend, you have the question in your mind that why you need to complete this job simulation, or you can say internship here. So let's check it. So friend, you can see here they have given some incredible important and complex problem to solve. And friend, this is the Australia's leading technology bank, and they process millions of transactions every day, and around 40% of all payments made by Australians go through their systems. And whether you are designing the apps people hold in their hands on, or the system they have delivered through, or you are determining how more than 17 million customers access their money, so your works matter. So you can see during this program you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a Commonwealth Bank team member and complete tasks that replicate the work that their data science team does every day. And friend, you will learn how to aggregate and analyze data, anonymize personal data, explore data insights that can be unlocked with the social media, and design database. And you can see here, you will learn the various types of skills like statistics, data analysis, Microsoft Excel, data anonymization, then data processing, data privacy, APIs, unstructured data, and database design. And friend, how this entire process work of this certification, you can see you have to first complete the task guided by the pre-recorded videos and examples, and you have to answer them. Then after completing all these recorded videos and providing these tasks, you will get the certificates, and you can use it in your resume and LinkedIn also. And friend, it will also help you stand out in the application as you will complete this internship. Then you can confidently answer the interview questions also. So you can see here what types of things you will learn here. So task 1, you can see data aggregation and analysis, in which you can see what you will learn and what will you do. You can see they have given like you have to analyze the CSV dataset. Here CSV stands for the comma separated values, which is the one of the file type, and you can see how to document the analysis process. Where in the task 2 you can see data anonymizations, in which you have to understand the importance of data, then learn various techniques and comprehend the risk associated with the linkage attacks. Then you can see in the task 3, you have to propose data analysis approaches. So you have to understand the difference between the structured and unstructured data, and you explore the types of data that can be extracting using the Twitter APIs and the potential insights. Then you can see what you will have to do. Explore a CommBank Twitter account examine the Twitter API's data dictionary, then create a proposal outlining insights from CommBank Twitter data or Insights Spark. Then in the task 4, you can see you have to design a database. So you have to understand the principle of database design, including reducing redundancy and ensuring data integrity. Then you have to familiarize with the Microsoft guidelines for effective database design. Then you have to propose a structured database for storing. Then define the tables, including the fields, primary keys, their relationships, and comprehensive database structure. And friend, after completing all these tasks, you have to submit your assignments. You will get while completing this task, and once you complete all these things, you will get this type of certificates. And friend, if you are not subscribed to our channel Info yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities, and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info. It will motivate us to create a more content for you. So friend, let's check about the certificates. So in the certificate, you can see in the top left corner, Commonwealth Bank logo is given, and below you can see your name, and the internship topic is also given, and what types of things you have learned will be also mentioned on the certificates. And bottom of the certificates you can find the link. Using that you can verify your certificates also. So friend, let's check about the registration process. So once you open the link which I have given in the video description box, then you will come to this page. Then you can select on this start free program, and once you complete, click, then this type of window will come. Then you can sign up, or if you already account on the forum, then you can directly log in using email and password. If not, then you can to click on a sign up. You have to provide your email address, then you have to click continue and complete the application process, and you will register in this virtual internship program. And friend, one of the very important thing, this internship is the self-paced. So whenever you will get the time on the weekdays or weekend, you can complete according to your time availability. And friend, if you like the video, please subscribe Info. Thank you. And if you have any query, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Info. Thank you.